Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Get Fit with Chrissy, where I focus on fitness and lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to go over 4 exercises to give you that round booty, okay? So for the first exercise, guys, is the elevated squat into RDL, okay? For this one, we're going to stand with our feet apart. We're going to put the kettlebell between our feet, and then we're going to get into squat position, just like what I'm showing you on the videos. So as you can see, guys, when I come back up from my squats, I squeeze my glutes, and that's a good thing. Squeeze your glutes, and then you lean forward, okay? Just like what I'm doing in the video. We're going to do 3 sets of 10 for this one. So let's go, guys. Come on, let's go.
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Okay, guys, so now we're moving on to the next exercise, guys, which is the elevated squat pause, guys. So I can see I get into squat position, guys, and I'm just pausing throughout the exercise, guys. I'm not coming back up. We're going to do 3 sets of 10 for this one.
Go, 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 go.
Okay, guys, so now we're moving on to the next exercise, guys. This one is called the side lunge, okay? And for this one, as you can see, I elevated my right legs, okay? And my left leg is straight. So you see how my left leg is straight? Then I push my hip back and lower until my left leg is bent at 90 degrees. Then I push back to start, okay? So as you can see, when I go down, my leg is at a 90 degree. Then I use it to push back, okay? And for this one, we're doing 3 sets of 10. Let's go, guys. Come on, you got this. Let's go.
Best start saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.
Okay, guys, so now we're on to the final exercise, which is a kettlebell swing. So as you can see, I'm standing tall, guys, with my arms straight and loose, okay? So when my knees get slightly bent, that's when I swing the kettlebell back through my legs, okay, guys? And as you can see, when the kettlebell hits shoulder height, as you can see, my legs are straight, just like what I'm showing in the video, guys. So we're going to do 3 sets of 12. So let's go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, and see you in the next one. Bye.